Lots of academic stress, swamped with multi-subject homework? Traditional methods just can't keep up. Don't stress, free AI study tool. StudyX breaks inefficient study habits. Core feature homework. Help uses a systematic approach to help you study efficiently. Getting started is super easy. Open StudyX, find Homework Help in the left sidebar, and click to enter the feature. Upload a PDF of your problem set, Bing mode. Just drag the purple frame to precisely select the question you need. Beyond PDFs, it supports 2 more ways. Paste text directly, like formulas or essays, or snap a photo of your handwritten work. The AI will accurately recognize your handwriting. Whether it's class notes, workbooks, or digital docs, all scenarios are covered. Click Get Answer. The AI instantly focuses on your input, delivering step-by-step explanations in seconds. Not just answers, but a clear breakdown of core principles and reasoning, so you truly master the method. And here's where it gets even better. First, all subject coverage, math formulas, lab data, essays, business cases. It handles all types of questions. Second, max efficiency. Paired with integrated tools, it streamlines your study flow. The AI lecture note taker turns recordings into structured notes in real time. No more missed key points. The PDF summarizer pulls core info from docs and slides with one click. Cuts reading time by half, easy. Third, reliable and professional. 98% accuracy, 85 million plus community verified answers, and 24/7 availability. It works steadily whenever you need it. If traditional studying has you stuck in an inefficient rut, give free StudyX Homework Help a try.